Well, today I've finally got one. I've finally got my hands on a PS5 disc edition, and somebody else has come to sniff it out as well, and got my hands on Spider-Man as well. So it's been a while. I've been looking forward to this, and I think somebody else has as well, although the face ain't saying much. So yeah, I'm gonna get this underway and try and unbox this whilst obviously trying to do this. Now, everybody's going to be asking me where I did get this from. I did get this off Marketplace on Facebook, so I have paid a little over the odds. But I think, you know, if everything's in there that it ought to be, as I've not actually checked this out yet. Pre-warning, didn't actually check it out before purchasing, so this could be quite fun. I could end up with a PS5 or I could end up with a plastic brick. Who knows? Let's see where it goes. So all looks genuine. As you can see, I've still got seals intact. So all the relative box looks genuine as well. Doesn't look like something off the back of a lorry, which I'm hoping it isn't. But hey ho, we shall see. So there's a box within a box. Right, this is where it could get a bit awkward. Right, okay, so PS5 cardboard wrap. Obviously, again, all looks genuine with all the correct information. So I have been eyeing these up now for some time and just decided, you know what, no one seems to be able to get them in the stores. So let's give it a go. I bought an Xbox before, Xbox One, on the second-hand market, and it's still doing all right, still working, still tucked away in my cabinet. So let's see. Right, okay. Just opened the small box of accessories, and it's just decided to open itself up on me in the middle of the box. So I have power lead, all looking good so far. The usual PS5 safety guide, not that we ever read them. Quick startup guide, and a guarantee, which is probably null and void because I bought it second hand anyway. The joypad or the controller, whichever way around you want to call it. Now that does look, everyone's been on about these controllers, and those do look pretty damn good. A little rough in there. I don't know if that's just me, but it's not. It might be something I get used to. But yeah, everything from what I've seen so far looks in the correct place. What else is in here? USB to USB-C. So that's my charging cable, which is all good. Anything else in this box of tricks? Aha! HDMI lead, which you are going to need because it's high speed. I do have some. I've already prepped, but I do have one ready to go. So yet another lead. And the stand. I've seen some videos already on this, and some people say it is quite cheap and feels quite cheap, which, to be fair, it does. But if it stands your console up, I'm guessing it stands your console up. Whichever way, we shall see. I'm going to have some fun. Right, so I'll discard all this back. This is the boring little bit. Let's keep the... Always keep the starter, just in case. Everything else can go in its box. So hopefully in here is the piece de resistance, which is my brand spanking new PS5 disc edition. I went for the disc edition purely because for some strange reason there's only a small amount of storage. To the new PS5, which no one can seem to grasp. Feels like the seems like the packaging is almost as heavy. Oh no, it's definitely not. It has got some weight to it though. The packaging has got some weight to it, but don't be fooled by that, because the main weight is definitely in the console, and it's humongous. It's massive. Look at the size of that. I mean, it's almost as big as the dog. It definitely looks like a PS5. Whether it is actually a PS5 is the other part of the game. When I come to powering it up and setting it up. But so far, everything I see so far looks so good. The gloss black, kind of like that. That's a nice finish. That'll go well with the TV and with the stand. So yeah, I will be back shortly. Now I've unboxed it, I will get it all up and running, which shouldn't take me too long, hopefully. And I will be back in a short while.